Hey everyone, welcome back to Nikhil's Tech and Appliances Gadgets. Today, we're exploring 15 amazing kitchen gadgets that make your cooking routine faster, neater, and smarter. These tools are not only super handy but also affordable and space-saving. So if you're someone who loves gadgets and a clutter-free kitchen, this list is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end because the last few gadgets are seriously underrated. Let's get started. Electric Citrus Juicer. This compact USB rechargeable juicer is perfect for fresh orange, lemon or lime juice anytime, anywhere. With just one button, it squeezes fruits efficiently and gives you a high juice yield. It's completely wireless and portable, ideal for travel, gym or office use. No need for manual squeezing or large appliances anymore. Just charge it like your phone and enjoy fresh juice on the go. Cleaning it is also super easy, making it a must-have for juice lovers. Silicone Faucet Splash Guard Mat. Say goodbye to messy kitchen counters with this splash guard mat. It wraps neatly around your faucet and absorbs water splashes instantly. The silicone material is durable, waterproof, and dries quickly. Easy to install and clean, it works in both the kitchen and the bathroom. Keep your sink area clean and tidy with almost no effort. Hanging wall vegetable fruit baskets. This set of hand-woven jute baskets saves space and adds a rustic charm to your kitchen. You can store potatoes, onions, garlic, fruits, or even use them as wall planters. Perfect for small kitchens or pantries that lack shelf space. Each basket is strong, breathable, and comes with hooks for easy hanging. They're not just functional, but also a beautiful decorative piece. Organize smartly. Digital Spoon Scale. This digital measuring spoon gives you accurate weight readings for spices, powders, or liquids. It has an LCD screen that shows weight instantly in grams or ounces. Great for baking, dieting, or when precise measurement matters. The spoon shape makes it easier to scoop and measure in one step. Battery operated and lightweight, it fits easily in any drawer. Perfect tool for fitness-focused or detail-oriented cooks. Egg Cracker, with separator crack eggs perfectly every time without making a mess. This handheld egg cracker opens eggs cleanly and separates yolk from white. It's ideal for baking, cooking, and anyone who struggles with shell bits. Just insert the egg, press the handles, and done. It's easy to use, dishwasher safe, and compact enough to store anywhere. Enjoy mess-free egg cracking with zero shells in your dish. Garlic Crusher Twister. Say goodbye to sticky hands and strong odors. This garlic twister minces garlic or ginger with a simple twist motion. It's compact, durable, and easy to clean. Just rinse with water. No more struggling with knives or bulky crushers. Great for quick prep when cooking curries, sauces, or stir-fries. A simple tool that packs a punch in daily kitchen tasks. 3-in-1, one MultiCook Kettle. This multifunctional kettle is perfect for boiling milk, making tea or coffee, and steaming veggies. It features a 1.2L inner pot and adjustable temperature controls. Its wide mouth design allows easy cleaning and versatile cooking. Ideal for bachelors, students, or anyone living in compact spaces. You can even boil eggs or make instant noodles with it. A single device that replaces multiple kitchen appliances. Rolling Knife Sharpener. Keep your kitchen knives razor sharp with this magnetic rolling knife sharpener. Its rotating design makes sharpening quick and effortless. Safe for beginners, it holds the blade at the perfect angle. Works with most flat kitchen knives, whether chefs, paring, or slicing. Just roll the sharpener back and forth for a few seconds. A simple upgrade that extends the life of your knives. 2-in-1 folding cutting board. Chop and transfer food with zero mess using this foldable cutting board. Made from food-safe PP material, it bends into a chute for easy pouring. No more spilled veggies while transferring to a pot or bowl. Lightweight, non-slip, and compact for storage. A smart and hygienic choice for everyday meal prep. Perfect for tight counter spaces or small kitchens. Pickle Jar with drain basket. Love pickles but hate digging into oily jars? This pickle jar comes with a built-in strainer basket to separate liquid from solids. Just lift the basket and your pickles are ready to serve. No dripping hands. The jar is airtight, reusable, and keeps your pickles fresh longer. Also great for olives, jalapenos, or small snacks in brine. A mess-free solution for every pickle lover. Steel and silicone food tongs. These 10-inch tongs are perfect for grilling, flipping, and serving food. They're made of stainless steel with heat-resistant silicone tips for a better grip. FDA approved and safe for non-stick cookware. The locking mechanism allows easy storage in drawers or on hooks. Great for tossing salads, barbecuing meat, or picking toast from the toaster. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Durable 4-in-1 electric milk frother. Create cafe-style drinks at home with this smart milk frother. It has hot and cold modes, temperature control, and a digital display. Whip up creamy cappuccinos, lattes, or hot chocolate with ease. Just pour in the milk and press a button. No manual effort needed. The detachable parts are easy to clean and it looks sleek on the counter. A must-have for coffee lovers. Butter spreader knife. Struggling with hard butter? This 3-in-1 butter knife is the solution. It features a serrated edge, a slotted hole for curls, and a flat side for spreading. Made from stainless steel, it cuts through cold butter like a breeze. Perfect for toast, baking, or serving butter at the table. A stylish and practical addition to your cutlery drawer. Makes every breakfast smoother, literally. Silicone garlic peeler tube. Peeling garlic has never been this easy. Just insert the cloves into the silicone tube and roll with light pressure. The skins come off instantly. No odor on your hands. Its internal bulge design grips the garlic firmly while peeling. Small, affordable, and easy to clean. A time-saving tool that every kitchen. Protein powder scoop funnel. This clever scoop funnel combo lets you measure and pour protein powders without spills. Just scoop, twist, and funnel the powder directly into your shaker or bottle. No more messy counters or wasted supplements. Perfect for gym goers, travelers, and fitness enthusiasts. Fits in most bottle openings and is easy to clean. Efficient, accurate, and portable. Everything you want in a scoop. So friends, these were the 15 smart kitchen gadgets that can make your life easier, faster, and more organized. Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. All product links are given in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who loves kitchen hacks. See you in the next one. Till then, stay smart and stay safe.